Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, I'm Joel with LEED Brakes. If you're in need of brake system parts for your classic ride, you've stopped at the right place. We've got conversion kits and components for many classic cars, trucks, and street rod applications. Let's take a closer look at our hydraulic kit for 1971 to 73 Ford Mustangs. This kit is designed as an upgrade for factory power brake cars and gives a nice factory look. Our kits also ship pre-assembled with the push rod pre-adjusted between the booster and master for an easy installation. We also have kits available to convert factory manual disc and drum brake cars to power brakes. The kit includes installation instructions, the 9-inch single diaphragm slimline power booster, a 1-inch dual bowl master cylinder, as well as all the hardware and hoses needed for an easy installation.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.